how to set a different sound for a bubble conversation on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Next, tap on the settings icon, and in the settings page, go down, then tap on notifications. After that, tap on advanced settings, then tap on conversations. In here, tap on the conversation that you would like to modify. And in here, we go down and then tap on sound. And from the list of sounds, select a sound that you would like to use. Then tap on the back key. So now this particular sound only apply to this conversation only. If you have more than one conversations in here, then you will need to individually set a unique sound for that conversation. Otherwise, it will use the default sound. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And you can see when I send myself a text to this particular conversation, it will give you that unique sound. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.